the older part of the building, we have some leaky windows. We still have steam tunnels with dirt floors, dirt underneath there, and we have some air quality issues, and we have some moisture issues with the roofing. We have facility issues where we'll have to close bathrooms. We have to work our way around issues where we've got water issues where we've had to move furniture because the roof is leaking. We've had big garbage buckets catching water. There's some things that we have dealt with over my 30 years here, and they've progressively gotten worse.
A lot of the needs in this building are plumbing and sewer issues. We've addressed a lot of them, but there's still a lot to do yet. We do have a lot of backups, and a lot of the pipes are old, and some of them the bottoms are rusted out of them because they're cast iron pipe, and creates some smells in the building once in a while. And usually on a regular basis, we're running the rotor-rooter machine through, and just to keep everything flowing. It's a good time, and the longer you wait, the more it's going to be, and we're at a severe critical point, I think, that the age of the building, the mounting repair costs, and the mounting amount of repairs that need to be done, it just keeps growing and growing and growing, and we need to do some major changes or get left behind. So.